Vegas departure, Southwest 3025 passing, 3800 climbing on the night.
Southwest 3025, Las Vegas departure, good morning, radar contact.
Departure, Southwest 3025, climbing out of 6400 to 190. We have a medical emergency on board. We need to return to Las Vegas.
Southwest 3025, roger, clear to Las Vegas Airport via radar vectors, descend and maintain 5,500, flighting 080.
Heading 050, we'll go down to 5,500, Southwest 3025.
Southwest 3025, when able, say the information that you have on the passenger, please.
I just got the information that we needed to return. They're working right now. I'll give it to you as quick as I can here.
Appreciate it.
Bet. One right, or one left?
26 left today. The winds are 35012, gust 20, altimeter 3026.
Roger that.
Southwest 3025, contact approach 135.0. Just let them know when you know the status of the station.
All right, 135.0, 3025.
Southwest 3025, Las Vegas approach, radio check.
Approach Southwest 3025, 6004, 5500.
Southwest 3025, Las Vegas approach, flighting 180, descend and maintain 5,000.
180 down 5500, Southwest 3025.
Southwest 3025, are you ready to come in and land?
Stay firm, Southwest 3025.
Southwest 3025, turn right heading 240. The airport's going to be, when you roll out, 12 o'clock, 15 miles.
240, we're looking for the airport. We have a male, approximately 45 years old, had a seizure. He's not breathing. I have a medical team on board. I have a doctor on board that's working with him, but we'll need medical at the gate when we get there.
Southwest 3025, roger. Do you have a gate number that you can give us?
Not yet, but I'm getting ready to call for that now.
Okay. Southwest 3025, flighting 270. The airport's now 12 to 1 o'clock, 13 miles.
270, field side Southwest 3025.
Southwest 3025, clear visual approach 26 left.
Clear visual 26 left, Southwest 3025.
Southwest 3025, contact tower 119.9.
929, Southwest 3025. Vegas, Southwest 3025, visual 26 left.
Southwest 3025, Las Vegas Tower, runway 26 left to the left.
Clear on that 26 left, Southwest 3025.
Do you guys know what gate you're going to?
I'm working on it right now.
Roger. Wind check 340 at 13, gust 20.
Roger.
Southwest 3025, Alpha 6, cross runway 26 right. You guys know the gate?
Alpha 6, cross 26 right, Charlie 3, Southwest 3025.
Roger, you taxi via Charlie, contact the ramp.
Charlie, contact ramp, Southwest 3025, thanks.